Hey guys, welcome back to another video. Today we got another really cool unboxing. This is from a friend of mine, Gavin. I bought this thing from him. I believe I didn't put the name of this thing in the title or the thumbnail, so you guys also don't know what's inside of this thing. Let's go ahead and get right into it. I'm not going to show that side. It's got the address. Alright. But I was not able to get these on the drop. But Gavin just happened to be selling his because he's getting the copper version. I've said too much already, but yeah, here it is. It is a Motorworks item. There you go, made in the USA. Cinema Thing V2, stainless steel, stone wire / machine finished. So all right, here we go. Here it is. I'm gonna put this to the side. And yeah, again, make sure you guys check out the channel sponsors down below. Again, make sure you guys check out the channel sponsors down below. My viewers get an exclusive 10% off your entire order. Use code Fidgets at checkout. And yeah, let's get right into this thing. Super excited. I don't have many Motorworks spinners yet, but this is a new one. And I wanted to get this on the drop, but I couldn't. I just wasn't fast enough. So yeah, here it is. Here we got this blue bag that all Motorworks stuff comes in. And here's the actual spinner itself. This is the stainless steel Cinema Thing. There you go. Really cool. There you go. Here's some close-ups. So here we go. Look at this thing. I'm pretty sure Gavin upgraded the bearing. Yep, there you go. Full siring bearing. It says number 10, Motorworks, Cinema Thing V2, the American flag, and then made in USA. Pretty cool. All right. Oh wow. Yeah, this thing is really good. I love this thing. Yeah, this thing is amazing. Oh my god. Oh my god, I love this thing. All right, let me go and get the weight of this thing for you guys. Oops, not ready yet. 61 grams. Not bad, actually. Oh, also, this thing is also a 1 of 1. This thing has something that no other Cinema Thing has. There you go. That's a little penis lasered on. Gavin told me that Jonas did this for him. And then, yeah, this is the only one that has it. Which is pretty cool. So, yeah, a 1 of 1. But, yeah, he sold this to me, so thank you, Gavin. God, I love this thing. I actually also have a copper one of these that I want to open up next. I just can't hold it anymore. I gotta open it and see what it's like. But this thing is amazing. These are really hard to find. I mean, to get. There were 30 of these made. 30 in stainless steel, 30 in brass, 30 in titanium, and 30 in copper, the most recent run. So in total there are 120 of these. So yeah. It spins very well, balanced, no wobble at all. I really love that about it. Actually, I'm gonna bring out my other Motorsport spinners. Give me 1 second, I'll be right back. So here are my other ones. And this is my bronze and copper button mini ergo. And then this is my zirconium mini ergo with titanium buttons, but they're not from Motorworks. So yeah. This has a different bearing than the others. So yeah, I am curious if these buttons will fit on this thing. So I'm gonna try that out. Again, here's the inside of this thing. Motorworks number 10, denim thing. Pretty cool. No, these things are rubbing against the body, so these will not work. So yeah, I guess the thin thing buttons are only 40 thin thing. Yeah, we'll keep these on here. But yeah, this thing is really awesome. I would definitely recommend it if you guys have a chance to get one of these. Snag it up. So yeah, I love the balance of this thing. No wobble whatsoever. So yeah, I love it. Definitely recommend it. But yeah, that'll be all for this video, guys. Again, make sure you guys are subscribed, turn on the bell notifications, like this video, and I got a lot of more cool new unboxings coming soon. Yeah, thank you guys for watching, and see you guys in the next one.